Alright, let's dive in. Imagine learning English while watching your favorite movies. No boring grammar drills, just the thrill of storytelling. It's an exhilarating way to engage with a language that's as diverse and colorful as a box of crayons.
Wow, that's super interesting. So you're saying we could, learn without even realizing it? That sounds almost too good to be true. Laughs.
Exactly. And here's the thing. There's this little secret to fluency that many people overlook. It's all about absorbing the language through films. For example, when you watch movies, you're learning real-life English, right? This includes expressions, tone, emotions, and even body language.
Wait, are you saying we can pick up on body language through films? Does that mean we can, learn how to communicate better too?
Yes, speaking of body language, think about a film like Harry Potter or The Lion King. You're not just watching a story unfold, you're seeing how characters interact, and that interaction is packed with cultural context.
Oh. So if I watch a movie and see a character getting all emotional and their body language says so much, does that help me understand the language emotionally too? It's like, magic or something? Laughs.
Absolutely. When you engage with these films, you're not just absorbing words, you're feeling the context. Now, I recommend starting with movies you love or already know. Keep it simple with family movies or romantic comedies like The Pursuit of Happiness or Forrest Gump.
Oh man, I love Forrest Gump. It's like life is like a box of chocolates, right? Laughs. But what about the more complicated movies? Can those be helpful eventually?
Great question. It's good to challenge yourself eventually, but you should start with easier films to build your foundation. Initially, focus on enjoying the movie experience. When you add subtitles, listen to how the actors pronounce words rather than just reading along. It's like dancing. You've got to feel the rhythm before you can bust a move.
Whoa, that's a cool analogy. So I guess repeating small scenes could help too, right? Like imitating the actors to grasp their tone and expressions?
Exactly. Replay scenes, shadow the actors. Record yourself and listen to how you compare with the original. That's how you refine your accent and fluency. It's like polishing a gem, right?
Wow, I love that. But would learning English through movies also teach me about culture? Like how people greet each other or have arguments?
Yes, that's a huge part of it. Movies are a window into different cultures. You'll notice not just the language, but also social cues, how people greet, argue, and even joke. Understanding these subtleties makes your language feel much more natural.
Ah, that's super fascinating. Okay, so if I want to make this a habit, how do I fit it into my daily life?
It's all about consistency. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes a day. Engage deeply. Repeat, shadow, laugh, cry, you name it. Over time, your brain will absorb English naturally through fun and storytelling.
That sounds manageable. So, to recap, we should start with easy movies, use subtitles carefully, learn phrases, and just fully immerse ourselves, right?
Exactly. Learning English through movies means experiencing the language, not just studying it. So, next time you watch a film, pause, engage, and immerse. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe.
Haha, I love it. And seriously, what's your favorite movie to learn English from?
That's a tough one. There are so many, but Forrest Gump is pretty high on my list for its rich storytelling and impactful lines. What about you?
Oh man, I think I'd have to say The Lion King. It's just so, emotional and powerful. Let's keep learning, one movie at a time, right? Laughs.